This case right here, which houses my Windows XP gaming PC, has clearly seen better days. Between all the rust, wear and tear, it clearly needs a makeover. So I thought, why not spray paint it? I've never done it, but it shouldn't be that hard, right? Right? Anyway, prepping the case for spray painting isn't too difficult. Of course, you need to take every single component out of the case. Literally everything has to go. And also remove both side panels and pretty much everything else you have to give you the best access possible into the internal structure. And then of course you're gonna need some spray paint. I've gone for black right here. And also you may need some painter's tape. But you might be asking yourself, but Evrona, if the inside of the case is going to be black and the outside is already black, why the painter's tape? Well, it's pretty simple. That's because not all black paint is the same. It can be more matte or glossy or metallic. So I decided not to tempt fate and just keep the two separated. Anyway, once that's all done, it's time to start painting. Now, at this point I learned that you can actually take off the front panel in this case as well, so I did it as well and decided to apply the painter's tape on top. Something that the original painters of this case clearly didn't do, seeing how much black paint you can see on these elements below. And from there you just start spraying. It wasn't too difficult, though at first I had these bubbly monsters of paint start forming, so I made sure to wipe off any excess paint like that. And besides, seeing how that area is behind motherboard, it's not going to be that visible. Then I just went around the entire case, flipping it a few times, and honestly, the end product actually turned out pretty great, as you can see. I honestly didn't expect my first attempt to look this good. Now, it's not perfect, there are many imperfections. For example, in the drive bay area, the paint formed this super weird solid sludge thing on top that started to crack and look really ugly. So when I was painting, I was trying to wipe off or just pick it off as much as possible, but that usually meant also exposing the silver underneath again, which meant I had to repaint it again, which meant that there was more of that weird sludge forming that I had to take off. Yeah, that was not fun, but still, I'd say it's actually good enough. And clearly, it looks way better than the rusty mess this was before. So, it's a pretty nice and easy way to refresh your case if it's starting to show signs of aging. And now with the case painted, I can now put all the remaining hardware in it. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss the last part of this ultimate Windows XP gaming PC setup saga. But if you want to help support projects like these, then the best way to do that is to support us on Patreon, because even just one singular dollar a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan LKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft Lansby, and Jesse Hubman. Thank you guys so much. Support truly goes a long way. Down there you're also going to find our Discord server if you want to talk to me or us at this or whatever else really. Plus down there's our social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.